All right, court is calling 2024 CR 009127, State versus Dominique Camacho. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense,
Gable Sadowski, Judge.
and are you Mr. Camacho? Counsel, have you received all discovery and did you review it with your client?
I have, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Did you review the application for deferred adjudication or community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes,
Counsel, is this an application for deferred?
yes, it is.
All right, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Yes. Did you review the court admonishments and defendant's waivers with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with assault choking? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by giving up by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your probation were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Camacho, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, there's a $1,500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
Correct, Judge.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. There be no harmful or injurious contact with Brianna Cabrera. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary or custodial parent? Knowing that, do you still wish to continue with this plea? Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Okay, for states exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection, Judge.
All right, and state, have you spoken with the complainant?
You have your-
All right, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, he's fully employed. He works in the oil field. He's sees his child. The mother of his child is the alleged victim in this case, and he sees the child who's paying.
Excuse me, if you all could talk on that end, the deputy will move towards that end. You may continue.
He's paying child support in that case, and he's trying to be involved, and he's fully employed.
All right. So here's the thing. If you think somebody has cheated on you, you have two options. Either you accept it and don't bring it up again, or either you move on and say, you know what, I can't accept this. And you still don't bring it up again. The relationship is just over. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And your 11-month-old, is this a boy or girl?
He just turned 2.
All right, so let me explain something to you. Children mimic what they see.
Yes.
That's how children learn how to speak. If you have a son will think that you love his mom, because that's what children think. And if they see you being abusive towards their mom, they will think that's how you show love. Then they go on in their relationship and they be abusive. You understand?
Yes.
So I'm going to order no contact with Brianna Cabrera. What you'll need to do is you all can do exchanges. Do your grandmother. I read in the police report that she discovered that he had taken the baby then 11 months to the grandmother. The only way I'll change that no contact order is if she comes in and tells me she wants the no contact order change. But I don't do no harmful or injurious contact until I at least spoken to the complainant. So there's to be no contact with Brianna Cabrera, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once you complete the parenting classes, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. With regards to was Child Protective Services ever involved?
Yes, she actually made me take a fatherhood class that I took. It was a 9-week domestic violence class that I took,
Mhm.
and it was her recommendation. So I took it and I did the 9 weeks.
When did you do that?
I did it. I can look at the email when I finished it because it was like a couple months ago
All right.
before I moved to
And
Odessa.
Judge, is there a chance that, I understand the court's position so far is no contact, but in light of the fact that he is an active participant in the rearing of his child, is it amenable to the court to have Family Wizard as a form of contact? Because Family Wizard allows all that communication to be done in writing electronically. And so if there is an issue with that, then they don't have to wholly rely on an intermediary, which is the grandmother.
All right. My order stands.
Okay.
Once the if the complainant comes in, and they can come in by Zoom if they want to come in by Zoom, if they have no issues, and if he's completed the courses as he said he's completed them, then the court will reconsider.
I can provide email and stuff as well.
All right. I'm going to order the BIPP course, probation. If he has completed everything through CPS, and that was the parenting classes and the family violence course, then that will be acceptable to the court for the BIPP and the parenting classes. What is your off time from working?
I work 6 days a week, Your Honor, Monday through Saturday, 7 to 5.
All right.
Sometimes even more.
All right. There's going to be field visit one time. Probation. Is there anything else?
We just want it one time period, then,
Yes.
nothing else.
Or another county, but that's
So,
overall.
Judge, he works in Permian Basin. He's in the oil field.
All right.
So
So where
he's-
does he live though? Does he live in Bear County?
I live in Odessa.
All right. Probation. He lives in Odessa.
Are you giving him permission to transfer, Judge?
Yes.
But I frequently travel, like outside of Odessa a lot because I'm a parks runner, so I constantly.
All right. Let them know. And what county is Odessa?
I don't,
I'm sorry, what?
After it's ECTO.
I'd eventually get that out of the 254, Judge, but I didn't.
Okay. All right. So he's allowed to transfer to Odessa County. I'm sorry, Odessa, Texas, which is Ector County. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. In this court, to be successful in probation, communication is key. If you have an issue, let probation know. If there's an issue and they say that you can't travel, don't just stop reporting. Let probation know. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can always come to the court and address it with me. All right, thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Once you go over your conditions, you'll be excused.
Judge, may I be excused?
Yes.
Let's get the facts straight. She loves a verbal ashtray. Never blowing smoke when she gets pissed. She's quick to castrate. Love her on a good day, love her on a bad day.